ready for a geography surprise. Alaska isn't just big, it's extreme in ways you might not expect. This state holds not one, not two, but three geographic records for the United States. How's that possible? Let's dive into Alaska's unique position on the globe. First up, the northernmost point. No surprise here, Alaska reaches farther north than any other part of the USA. It's the land of the midnight sun, where summer days seem endless and winter nights stretch on and on. But that's just the beginning of Alaska's geographic quirks. Now, here's where things get interesting. Alaska is also the westernmost state. Picture the Aleutian Islands, that long chain stretching out into the Pacific. These islands extend so far west, they make Alaska the champion of the West for the entire country. But wait, there's more to this story. Here's the twist that might make your head spin. Alaska is also the easternmost point of the USA. How can one state be both west and east? It's all about that 180 longitude line. The Aleutian Islands don't just stop at the west, they keep going, crossing over into the eastern hemisphere. That means part of Alaska is technically in the east, making it the easternmost U.S. territory too. Let that sink in for a moment. Alaska, a single state, manages to be the farthest north, west, and east of the entire United States. It's a geographic hat trick that no other state can claim. This unique position gives Alaska a distinction that's truly one. Think about it, Alaska is the only state that has land in both the western and eastern hemispheres. It's like straddling two worlds at once. This isn't just a fun fact. It's a testament to the vast and varied geography of the United States. So, what does this mean in practical terms? For one, it makes Alaska a pivot point between east and west. It's a bridge between continents, cultures, and time zones. When you're standing on the right spot in the Aleutian Islands, you could take a step and cross from one hemisphere to another. How many places in the world offer that experience? This geographic oddity also has implications for timekeeping. The international dateline bends around Alaska's eastern reach, ensuring that all of Alaska remains in the same day. Without this adjustment, you could celebrate New Year's Eve twice in the same state. But let us not forget the primary reason for Alaska's triple crown of extremes. Its sheer size. Alaska is massive, covering an area more than twice the size of Texas, the next largest state. This expansive territory allows for such diverse geographic points within a single state border. The northernmost point of Alaska, and thus the USA, is Point Barrow. This remote location sits at the edge of the Arctic Ocean, a place where polar bears roam and the aurora borealis dances in the sky. It's a stark reminder of how far North American territory extends. To the west, we have Amategnik Island, the westernmost point of both Alaska and the United States. Part of the Aleutian chain, this tiny, uninhabited island stands as a silent sentinel in the vast Pacific, marking the western frontier of America. And for the easternmost point, that honor goes to Semisopochnoi Island, another member of the Aleutian archipelago. By crossing the 180 line, it edges just into the eastern hemisphere, giving Alaska its claim to fame as the easternmost state. These extreme points aren't just geographic trivia, they shape Alaska's identity and its role in the nation. They influence everything from wildlife migration patterns to international trade routes. Alaska's position makes it a crucial player in Pacific affairs and Arctic policy. Consider the strategic importance of Alaska during the Cold War, when it was the closest U.S. territory to the Soviet Union. Today, it remains a key location for early warning systems and defense strategies. Its extreme points give the United States a presence across a vast swath of the globe. Environmentally, Alaska's geographic spread means it encompasses a wide range of ecosystems, from the frozen tundra of the north to the temperate rainforests of the southeast, and the windswept Aleutian Islands in between. Alaska is a microcosm of diverse habitats. This variety makes it a critical area for studying climate change and its effects on different environments. For travelers and adventure seekers, Alaska's extreme points offer unique bragging rights. Imagine being able to say you've stood at the northernmost point of the United States, then visited its westernmost and easternmost points, all in one trip. It's a geographic journey few other places can offer. But these extreme points also highlight the challenges Alaska faces. Its vast size and remote locations make transportation and communication difficult. Providing services and infrastructure to far-flung communities is an ongoing challenge for the state government. The extreme geography that makes Alaska so unique also makes it one of the most logistically complex states to manage. Despite these challenges, Alaskans have adapted to their state's unique position. They've developed innovative solutions for living in extreme conditions and bridging vast distances. From bush plains to internet satellites, Alaska is often at the forefront of overcoming geographic obstacles. The state's extreme points also play a role in scientific research. Geologists, climatologists, and biologists flock to Alaska to study everything from plate tectonics to Arctic ecosystems. Its position straddling hemispheres and reaching into the far north makes it an invaluable natural laboratory. For cartographers and geography enthusiasts, Alaska presents an interesting challenge. How do you accurately represent a state that exists in both hemispheres on a flat map? It's a reminder of the complexities involved in mapping our round world onto two-dimensional surfaces. In the end, Alaska's geographic extremes are more than just trivia. They're a reflection of the state's character, vast, diverse, and full of surprises. From the northernmost tundra to the east-west spanning Aleutians, Alaska embodies the spirit of frontier and exploration that has long been part of the American identity. So next time you look at a map of the United States, remember that one state holds three incredible records: Alaska, northernmost, westernmost, and yes, even easternmost. It's a geographic wonder that makes you appreciate the diverse and expansive nature of American territory. Who knew one state could cover so much ground and in such unexpected ways?